Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Building Business Plans and Structures. In our last class, we discussed the basics of business planning. Today, we will dive into the crucial topic of market research and analysis, which forms the foundation of any solid business plan. Market research is essential for understanding the market you want to enter. It helps you identify your target audience, understand customer needs, and analyze competitors. Without thorough market research, your business plan will lack direction and insight. Effective market research can help you make informed decisions, reduce risks, and seize opportunities in the market. Here are the steps to conduct market research. Step number 1, research other companies in the space. The first step in conducting market research is to research successful companies within your business area. Imagine, for example, you sell cookies as your business. It would be wise to research the big players within your industry. Currently, the most popular cookie brand is called Crumbl. You would want to know everything about how the top company operates in terms of its marketing and its operations. For this example, Crumbl's main selling point is that they provide a weekly rotating menu, meaning customers have a reason to come back frequently. You want to know how the best companies separate themselves so you can find your niche. Step number 2, define your objective. The next step in conducting market research is to define your objective. What do you want to achieve with your research? Common objectives include understanding customer preferences, identifying market trends, and analyzing competitors. Having a clear objective will guide your research process and help you gather relevant information. Step 3, identify your industry classification. There are two different types of industry classification systems that you will want to know. First is the SIC, which is the Standard Industrial Classification, and the second is NAICS, which is the North American Industry Classification System. You can use these databases to find where your business operates. Here's something to note. Your business will fall under multiple categories, and that is okay. In order to do this in the Salt Lake area, you need to create a free Salt Lake County library card to get access to a data axle search. Later on, we will go over a demo of a search. Continuing on the cookie business comparison, it would fall under the SIC code 2052 for cookies and crackers, and for NAICS, it would be 311821. While the cookie business only falls under one category for each system, yours might fit into multiple categories. Types of market research. Market research can be classified into two main types: primary and secondary research. First, primary research. This involves collecting data directly from the source. Methods include surveys, interviews, and focus groups. For example, you might conduct surveys to understand customer satisfaction or hold focus groups to get feedback on a new product. The second type is secondary research. This involves analyzing existing data. Sources include industry reports, academic papers, and competitors' analysis. For instance, you might review industry reports to understand market trends or analyze competitors' websites to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Data collection and analysis. Collecting and analyzing data is a critical part of market research. You can use various techniques to collect data, such as online surveys, social media monitoring, and data analytics tools. Once you have collected the data, use software tools like Excel, SPSS, or Google Analytics to analyze the data and draw meaningful insights. One powerful technique for market analysis is SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This analysis helps you understand the internal and external factors affecting your business. To conduct a SWOT analysis, list your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and use this information to develop strategies for growth. We go much more into depth about SWOT analyses in a following chapter. For competitive analysis, understanding your competition is vital for your business's success. Competitive analysis involves identifying your competitors, analyzing their strengths and weaknesses, and understanding their strategies. Use tools like SWOT analysis and market research to gather information about your competitors and develop strategies to differentiate your business. Applying market research. Incorporating market research findings into your business plan is crucial. Use the insights from your research to define your target market, develop marketing strategies, and make informed business decisions. For example, if your business research shows a high demand for eco-friendly products, you might focus your business plan on offering sustainable products to match that. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about market research. First, what happens if my business falls under multiple categories? The answer is very simple. It is completely okay if your business falls under multiple industries. And in fact, most businesses will. The second question is, how do I access the databases? You can do this by creating a free Salt Lake City library card, and using that, you can access Data Axle, which will provide countless sources for doing market research. To conclude, we've covered the basics of market research and analysis, including the steps to conduct research and the techniques for market analysis. For our next class, we will delve into creating a market plan. In the meantime, start thinking about your market research objectives and begin gathering information. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to our next session together.